Yeah, yeah. Woman voice on the rhythm tonight. From the floor to the finish line. We rise, we shine. Hey, 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 you know, hey. When the dark clouds gather in the sky, still I know the Most High hear my cry. Every wave, every storm pass by. Faith keep my heart lifted high, like Noah building through the rain, holding on when the word called him insane. Now we dancing in the sunshine again, turning every loss into gain. Hands to the heavens, feel the light. Love of God guide me through the night. Every nation, every color, unite. One heartbeat, one victory tonight. Rise above the rain. Love flowing through my veins like an arc across the sea. Praise keeps carrying me. Hear the crowd roar loud. Faith standing tall and proud. From the court to the sky above, everything moving in divine love. See the players running down the floor, giving all they have and even more. Every cheer shake the arena core. Dreams opening up every door. Like a champion reaching for the crown. You get up every time you fall down. God's mercy always comes around, turning weakness into higher ground. Hands to the heavens, feel the light. Love of God guide me through the night. Every nation, every color, unite. One heartbeat, one victory tonight. Rise above the rain. Love flowing through my veins like an arc across the sea. Grace keeps carrying me. Hear the crowd roar loud. Faith standing tall and proud. From the court to the sky above, everything moving in divine love. Oh, let the blessings pour. Oh, open every door. No fear when the thunder call. Faith make the mighty stand tall. Through every season, through it all, love remains the greatest of all. Rise above the rain.